Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Excel on Mac. Let's get started. First, open Safari or any web browser on your Mac. Now search for Microsoft Office or go directly to office.com in your browse. Then sign in with your Microsoft account or choose a Microsoft 365 plan if you don't have one. Once logged in, click Install Apps or Install Microsoft 365 from the top right menu. The installer will download to your Mac and wait for it to finish. And after that, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the file to start installation. Follow the setup steps, agree to the terms, and enter your Mac password if required. And after that, wait for the installation to finish, then click Close when done. Now go to Finder, then go to Applications, then open Excel. Sign in with your Microsoft account if prompted. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.